Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot mustard sauce. We will start with the essential ingredients. You will need about 1/2 cup of dry mustard powder, 1/3 cup of cold water, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. These simple components combine to create a surprisingly complex and fiery condiment, perfect for many dishes. First, in a small bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of dry mustard powder with 1/3 cup of cold water. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. Now, here is the crucial step. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for at least 10 minutes. This resting period allows the enzymes to activate, developing that signature pungent heat. After the resting period, stir in your 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Taste and adjust as needed. For a thicker sauce, add less water initially. For a thinner consistency, add a few more drops. You can also add a small pinch of turmeric for a more vibrant yellow hue, enhancing its visual appeal. Once your hot mustard sauce is perfectly seasoned, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for several weeks, though its intense heat may mellow slightly over time. This versatile condiment is fantastic with egg rolls, spring rolls, or as a zesty accompaniment to grilled chicken or pork. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.